welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna do a house tour. Okay, let me show you what our house looks like. Guys, this is our very first house in the United Kingdom. Okay, so in this video I want to basically show you what it looks like. Guys, this house was so affordable. Yeah, so check the house with me and see what it looks like. Okay, then I will do a separate video to tell you guys how we got this house, okay, the price, and how you will get house from overseas in the UK. We actually got this house from overseas. We got it before we arrived, paid for it and everything before we arrived, and it was secured for us. We came in and we moved straight into our home. So guys, let's just show you around. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom house, okay, in England, somewhere in England, you guys. Okay, my G's, stay positive, stay to the end of this video and see what we have here. Okay, let's go to the house tour proper. Let's go. Yes, come in. Hi, welcome. Hi. Come in. So guys, here is the entrance to this amazing 2 rooms new build house in the United Kingdom. So let's go up. You see, it's the staircase. Okay, so this staircase leads to the house proper. Come with me. Guys, here I am coming inside my house. Okay, you guys, once you come up from the first staircase, you come this way and you see this beautiful welcoming entrance. You guys, come please. So when you come here, you have a table here. Okay, here we have a lot of books. All these books I've been trying to tell you what happens around here, locations, malls, exciting places, the maps in general. That's what is here, and you can see amazing books here. So if you're a lover of books, this is your quiz. If you're a lover of books, you will get something quite interesting here. Then this is our vacuum cleaner. We kept it here. This is what we used to clean the house. Yeah, we have this beautiful view. Okay guys, it's late when I was doing this video. You would have seen what our outside looks like. Okay, once you open the door, come in. Once you open the door, you see this beautiful wall design. Okay, so come in, baby. When I come inside, once you come into the house, by my right you see this beautiful door. Opposite me is another beautiful door. So let's check what is in here. So guys, this is our storage space. Okay, so this is a bag from Nigeria, my foodstuff, our bags, our ironing board. We can as well be keeping our jackets here. Okay, so this is a very wonderful store and at a very beautiful space. Okay, so closing it, I have another door right opposite me. So let's see what we have in this door. Come in. So you guys, coming in is my wonderful open plan living room. Okay guys, look at my dining table. I have this beautiful round white table and 4 portable seats, and it came with this baby high chair and a beautiful flower, you guys. Yeah, okay, so moving forward, let's go. We have this space. Okay, so guys, we have this beautiful wall decor, okay, to complement the dining table. This is so beautiful and I love it. So looking straight there, you will see our intercom. Okay, so beautiful space, you guys. Okay, so wow. Sorry. So guys, this is our amazing view. Okay, baby, come. So guys, this is our amazing view. This portable clothes hanger here. This is where we hang our clothes. Baby, come so that they can see our view. So guys, look at our view. look at our view, see what our street is looking like at night. I purposely want to do this video by this time of the day so you see what our view looks like at night. Okay, so you guys, so this is our window. Okay, so this window is open. Yeah, if you want to close it, you just lift it this way. Moving forward, you guys, you have this enough space here for my kids to run around. Let's go to the living room proper. Come with me, the living room proper. Okay, it have this beautiful comfy seat. You guys see my video, my vlog chair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It will be happening on the seat. Okay. So guys, it has this beautiful L-shaped comfy cushion, okay, with throw pillows. So comfy, guys. Moving forward, there is this beautiful heater in the living area. You can see it has enough of space. Yeah, we have this beautiful television. We have this TV stand. There is this amazing flower here and this lovely light. Okay, this lovely light, guys. So guys, basically this is what my living area is looking like. Okay, we have these beautiful side stools in the sitting room. So guys, you can see how beautiful this space looks. Welcome to my living room. Yeah. So you guys, this is my kitchen area. Guys, this is my favorite place in this house. Welcome to my kitchen. So you guys, don't mind me, I'm just so excited. This is my beautiful kitchen, you guys. So guys, here is my kitchen. This is an open plan space, as you can see. Okay, so let's start somewhere. Let me start from here and go down there. Or babe, let's start from here and go down there. So you guys, coming into my kitchen, it has this beautiful workspace. Okay, it's easy to clean. I love this. I love it, you guys. Then we have this electric kettle. We have this sugar, tea, and coffee container. My sugar, my salt, and my baby things. Okay. Then here we have a storage. In this storage is just basically the teacup and our cereals, and the likes of them, my baby's food. Okay. Then we have this fire extinguisher right here. So you guys, we have a lot of storages. Yeah, nothing is actually happening in these storages. So coming close here, I have this beautiful sink for washing my plates. This is the cold water and that's the hot water. You can rotate this to any angle of your choice. Okay, yeah, so this is what is happening here. I have a storage here, guys. In this storage you will see my washing materials and those bin bag. Okay, so everything here is basically for washing. Yeah, so coming forward, we have this beautiful washing machine. You can see some clothes are inside already. We just did some laundry. Okay, so this is my washing machine. Coming forward, we have this beautiful cooking area. This is my cookware, guys. Okay, this is where we cook, and on top of it is our extractor, guys. I just put it on. Are you feeling it? In a video. This is what happens here, okay? Then on this beautiful space is where I cook. So guys, here I have this rack for keeping my pots. Okay, then here is a storage. As this is a storage. Okay, in here I have my cutleries, my cooking utensils, this for the oven. That's what is happening here. I have this second storage, still my cooking utensils. So I have another storage here. I pack my bags, my shopping bags. Okay, so I have this beautiful food processor I got from the charity shop. Okay, I have this bread toaster and the knife stand. Okay, moving forward, these are my towels for cooking. I have this portable and beautiful microwave. Inside it there is a microwave cover. Okay, then down here we have enough storages. Okay, here, what's happening here. You can sight my pots, my orishi, my properties are just here. So guys, that's basically what is happening in this storage. Okay, so guys, we have this fire blanket too in case of fire outbreak. Yeah, I forgot to show you this particular storage space. In here is my plates and my spices. This is what is happening in here. There is another storage here. You guys, this is our glasses, drinking water for wine, mention it. Then we have a first aid box right in here. Okay, yeah, we have a first aid box in case. Okay, so that's it for this beautiful kitchen area. Right here in this portion, and this portable refrigerator. Please, no smoking. Okay, we don't smoke in here. So in this, so down here is my deep freezer, guys. Okay, so this is my bags that we brought from Nigeria, from Doha. These are our food stuff. We left them here because for the moment. Okay, so right here is our bin, another bin. So guys, this is for bottle, glass only guys. So this is where we put our glasses that broke, or maybe you drank, you take some bottle of wine, you put it there. So guys, this is basically what is happening here in my living room and my kitchen. So let's move forward. Let's go. So you come back to this entrance corridor again. So here we have this beautiful wall decor. Okay, it said beach, sunshine, relaxed waves, sandy toes, salty kisses, paradise. Okay, so guys, from here you can see the staircase going to the rooms upstairs. So let's go and have a look. Let's see what the rooms look like. Okay, so you guys coming upstairs, show them that light. We have this beautiful light on the hallway, on the staircase. Okay, so coming upstairs, you can see another beautiful light there. Okay, come please. So we have this the heater control. So this is where we control the temperature of the house. Okay, yeah guys, when you come here, we have 4 doors upstairs. So baby, come. So let's see. First we open this door. Okay, so guys, look at this. Is the boiler room. Take a look at what is looking like. This is where everything happens in this house. Okay, this is where the whole heating takes place. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, we are the first tenants in this house. This is actually a new build. Okay, so let's go. So this is what the boiler room looks like. So the next door by the boiler room is our bedroom and toilet. So you guys will have this lovely portable bedroom. Okay, so you guys coming inside, you see the wash hand basin. Inside you see the wash hand basin, guys. It's basically the wash hand, the tap, the soap dish, beautiful container where we put our toothbrush and toothpaste. We have this beautiful mirror here. So coming in, you can see the bathtub. We have this glass. That's the shower, guys. That's the shower. Okay, and everything happening here. So coming front, you can see the toilet. We have the tissue rack. And then we have this wall decor. This is a bed, and this is the bathroom rules. Okay, just to add beauty to this bedroom. Okay, just to add beauty to the bathroom. So we have this heater, you guys. This beautiful heater. You can see our towel is placed on the heater. So guys, the bathroom is giving. Okay, I see it is giving. It's very portable and it's lovely. So coming forward, once you come out from the bathroom, you see another door close to the bathroom. So come in. So you guys, this is our master's bedroom. This is the bedroom for myself and my husband. Okay, so you guys look at the beauty in this bedroom. So come in. We have this beautiful mirror at the entrance, okay? This beautiful one mirror right here. It have this beautiful wallpaper to add beauty to it. Then we have this side lamp, okay? And a table. Look at our beautiful bed, okay? It's so lovely. Look at our bed. Another beautiful wall decor here, okay? I love this wall decor in particular. This is our bed and another side lamp and a table. We have this beautiful wall decor too. It says "See la vie," okay? So beautiful, guys. So coming forward, we have this beautiful window and this portable blind, okay? Yeah, taking that off. Another view, okay? That we have this Vita right here, okay? Then coming here, we have this beautiful drawer where we kept our things, and then a portable television. These are our bags, guys. So let's go. So the next door to that room is another room. So guys, welcome to my kids' room. So this is the kids' room, and this is basically what it's looking like. We have this portable kids bed, okay? Very comfy and beautiful. We have this size too, and a lamp, okay? Here is our Holy Bible and their books, okay? Then we have this beautiful wallpaper, wall decor here, guys. So beautiful. It added color to this room, and that's the light, okay? We have that beautiful wall design there also, okay? Coming closer, you can see another heater right here, and then their own window. You guys, you can see this is their own window. You can see that. So that's what is basically happening here. Then they have this portable stool, table, and a portable television. You can see our bags. So still in the case room, coming this way, you can see this beautiful wall hanger, okay? And then another wall decor. Yeah, so this is what this space is looking like, guys. Yeah, I think my kids room is quite bigger than my own room. I don't know, but this is how beautiful this house is looking. So you guys, without wasting your time, we'll be ending this vlog here. So watch out for my video. So guys, you guys, I will be ending this vlog here, okay? So watch out for my video. My next video, I will talk about how we got this house, the price, and I will give you hints on how to get a house from overseas before you arrive the United Kingdom. Actually, we got this house at overseas before we get here, and it's very, 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 very affordable. This house is a brand new house. We are actually the first tenant in here. It is fully furnished. Everything you see here comes with the house, okay? So guys, avoid Airbnb. It's quite costly. I will give you the full gist. I will give you the details, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and if you watched to this moment, trust me, you are the real MVP. Thank you guys, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. If you have not joined the Positivity Gang family, I don't know what you are waiting for. Hit the red button down below and be part of my amazing family. Trust me, you will be glad you do. Here we are keeping it real and positive, okay? So guys, let's go. Bye. See you next time. Bye bye.